Nkateko Dinwiddy, and I'm here with the expert nutritionist, the beautiful Claire from Ella's Kitchen. And today we are going to be talking about getting ready to wean. So Claire, my little one has just turned 4 months and I completely forgot what I did with my first one. So now it's time for weaning, and my first question for you is, what should I get before I start my weaning journey?
So you want to just think about when you're going to start, looking out for the signs, make sure you've got bowls, spoons, little high chair, a nice little checklist of things, lots of bibs. When it comes to spoons, avoid metal spoons because they can get hot if you're feeding hot food or stirring hot food, and it can burn your baby's little soft lips.
And then how can I get more organized? Should I be doing meal prepping? Should I be freezing?
If you think about the sort of foods you'd like to give your baby in maybe the first week or two, you can prepare ahead and freeze them, pop them in an ice cube tray, for example, and then take them out, put them in a bag, put the date and what the food is, and keep it in the freezer. That's a great way to get ahead. I always recommend trying to offer a variety of vegetables and fruits, going with all the colours of the rainbow. So you could even have a nice little rainbow chart so you can tick off each week which colours your baby's had, for example.
Nice.
Online shopping's great because then you can stock up and that helps you plan as well. Lots of recipe hacks, so if you've got little vegetable portions in the freezer, for example, you can add those to other meals as your baby gets older, so you can sort of get ahead there as well.
Is there a specific time of day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, for me to try and start weaning?
It's best if it's a time when there aren't too many distractions, so you haven't got all the other kids running around, or you haven't got distractions like the TV on or the radio. Also a time when your baby's not too tired, not when they're just about to go down for a nap and they're a little bit tired and cranky. Equally when they're not too hungry, maybe after a milk feed. Keep it a nice, calm, positive environment.
I know there's some parents who are patient and there's some who aren't. Is it good to stop and start with weaning, or do you just have to go for it?
Definitely take the learnings and the cues from your baby, because the relationship that you guys have with each other, you know your wants and needs, you know when they've had enough, and they will tell you. Every baby is different, and so expecting your baby to follow the same pathway that someone else's does, you're all going to reach their milestones at different ages, for example. There's no correct way to wean. It's the best thing to do is to just focus on what works for you and your baby.
Okay, that's awesome. You just actually reminded me of all the mess and how fun it can actually be.